Hi folks, I just want to show you our deck during winter. So my tomatoes dying now because it's getting cold, and look at the falling leaves. It's really messy. So my eggplants already gone. Same as my uh, snake beans or sitaw. They all they're all gone. They're all dead because it's cold. The only surviving is the pechay, but eaten by bugs. Yeah, it's really messy. It's like during winter. So maybe a month from now, all these leaves are gone. So I have to wait for the last leaf, and then I'll take a photo. Maybe next month, I guess. Yeah. But I have to clean this, otherwise they can get rotten. On the other side, some plants is growing beautifully, like this one. My lemon is dying as well, so there's a bugs on it. So I have to buy fertilizer for this plant. And my celery, there's a lot of seeds. That's why I put a plastic in the bottom to collect those seeds dropping from branches. Yeah. And this manis tree is growing beautifully. Yucca is, succulents growing beautifully. Except this eggplant. And I like this one. It's weeds, but my wife wants to put in a pot, so I collect one weeds and I put it there. So now it's nice. Yeah. Even my kangkong is dying. And by the way, this is my next project. Yeah, because there's a leakage on the pipe on this connector or non-return valve. So I fix it. Just put a rubber temporarily. So when I get a plumber, so they're gonna fix it. But I will mix like a box here and cover this one here as well as this one, put a concrete or like reinstating the concrete here. That's why a lot of work. So all this concrete I pour it manually using the principle I show you. I use the bucket and wheelbarrow. So even this one, I pour it myself. So I put some coins here. It's like a lucky coins. This is from Australia, New Zealand. I have some more here. This is New Zealand 50 cents. This 50 cents. There 50 cents. And here 10 cents. So almost fill out. And I think this is from, we can't remember where it came from. Yeah, that's my lucky coins. Here's some more. Some of my lucky coins. That is New Zealand. I can't remember where this came from. I can't remember this one either. I can't read it. Yeah. I got my tomato. They're all gone. Anyway, I collected enough anyway. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. And we'll give you an update once I go back to that concrete pouring I've done just a while ago. Okay, bye for now.